I am Alka Chaturvedi. I am chartered accountant and my passion is astrology. I did Jyotirvid and Jyotirvisharad from Bhavans, Mumbai, and I did Hora Ratnam and Hora Vachaspati from KP Stellar Institute, Chennai. And I did psychological astrology from Faculty of Astrological Studies of UK. You know, sun is a star, but in astrology it is considered as a planet, because when we see from earth we find all heavenly bodies like sun, moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn. All of them, they appear as if they are circling around the earth. So we consider all these heavenly bodies as planets. So sun, in spite of having being a star, it is considered as a planet. Sun is the most important planet of the horoscope, as it gives light and energy. In the same way, it shows our soul, purpose, desire, will, and vitality. When we are young, we identify more with our moon sign. It's like child inside. If our moon is in Aries, then we will react in any situation impulsively. And if it is in Taurus, then we'll deal with any situation with patience. As we grow, we want to follow the path which is shown by sun. Such as if our sun is in Virgo, then we'll aspire to be perfectionist. And as we grow older, we start doing our job perfectly, or we analyze our job. We want to do the job which is useful. We do not wish to waste, Wherever the sun is in our chart, it shines that area. Sun is a light. So if our sun is in the 11th house, then we shine in our society, or we want to fulfill our desires or long-term plans, The symbol of sun is a circle with a dot. It means that we need to be focused in a particular direction where we want to perform our best. It shows our core, purpose, and inner being. In personal chart, it shows our sense of ego and identity. Our sun is one of the billion stars of the Milky Way. You are one from the million human being. I am one from the million human being. Sun's solar planet revolves around it. In the same way, your world revolves around you. My world revolves around me. So even if we are one among millions or billion, but still all of us are unique. Our face is unique, our voice is unique, and our whole identity is separate from everyone. Even if there are millions of people like us, but still we are different. Suppose aspect from other planet affect the way we identify with ourselves or our opinion about ourselves. Suppose Jupiter is making aspect with our sun, then we will be confident and generous. But if sun is making aspect to our sun, then we will be cautious and responsible, because that is the nature of Saturn. If sun is in our first house, then we would like to shine in the area of our personality. We would like to come across as confident and regal person. But if sun is in second house, then a person will make an effort to be resourceful, or would like to shine in his own family. As sun is the source of energy on earth, same way it shows our will and vitality. If our sun is strong, then we radiate with powerful light. Sometimes it is seen that when a celebrity enters in any get together, they just shine, because they have very strong sun. And if sun is strong, then it gives fighting power and vitality, and a person can assert himself. And it gives a strong will to achieve whatever we want. Sun is like a driving force in our chart. It tells about our purpose, mission, or goal. Sun is our heroic quest. Heroic quest means like it shows that where we want to be hero. Movie hero. Movie hero is a hero is who is a hero in a movie. Hero is a strong, kind, playful person who fights battle but always come out as victorious. In the same way, wherever our sun is, we have to struggle in that area, and we can become successful after crossing our obstacles. In wherever our sun is, we don't get those things easily, but we are confident and we fight for those things, and we want to shine in that area. If sun is in the first house, as I said, then we want to make our personality powerful. If sun is in our second house, then we want to shine in our family, or Kutumbisthan. Second is as Kutumbisthan. And and if our sun is in third house, then we want to shine in our neighborhood area, or we want to express ourselves in a we want to be hero we want to be known as a hero in writing, or or expressing ourselves, but it doesn't come easily to us. We have to cross various obstacles or battles for it. So sun describes what we want to be and where our focus will be. It is expression of our true self. It shows where we will shine or where we will get recognition, where we want to be noticed and famous. Sun is like a heart of the horoscope. Sun is a ruler and a male planet. So it shows authority figures, bosses, government officers, father, and an elder brother. Sun can meet your female boss also. Sun is a male planet, but if your boss is a female, then she can be seen as sun in your chart. Sun rules Leo, and it is exalted in Aries sign. The nature of sun resembles with the fifth house of creativity. It is debilitated in Libra, because sun is about our ego and Libra is about compromise. Sun is in detriment in Capricorn sign, because the Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, and Sun and Saturn, they have enmity. Sun signifies hot, dry, fiery, inflammatory, electric, barren, life-giving forces, and these kind of characteristics. The motion of sun and moon is always direct and never retrograde. It stays in one sign for a month, for nearly a month. It travels approximately 1 degree in a day. The color ruled by sun are gold, orange, saffron, greenish yellow, purplish. Sun is an identity. So it is strong in fiery as well as positive sign. Sun is not strong in watery sign, and watery sign and earth sign. The strength of sun is measured by sign, house, aspect, and degree. Wherever the sun is, we have to see that in which house it is, in which sign it is, and which planets are aspecting it is. Then only we can assess the strength of the sun in the horoscope. In mundane astrology, it shows rulers, monarch, government, head of the state, president, prime ministers, etc. In building, it shows castle, majestic buildings, theaters, luxury hotels, basically anything related with power and entertainment. In body, it rules our heart, spine, and eyes. In animal, it is loin, and sun rule the ruby gem and gold metal and the finest of marble. And when sun is positively placed in a person's chart, then it makes the person regal, confident, vital, and radiant. But if it is negatively placed, then a person becomes arrogant, autocratic, dominating, self-centered, and full of himself. A well-aspected sun gives vitality, energy to a person. But if sun is weak, then a person can feel lack of energy, confidence, and willpower. Thank you.